All right, and then you so Yama Obibia Kobebio and Famra inside Kotoko. Yes, and then you exclusive for Yabo Bono, Eddie Free Ghana, Yan football Muno. Yada on some someone said, a special air Asante Kotoko, and some Elcos Elcobano. Nemo was sending commodity, and so SCT Honoma and Yatim Soba, and then you don't forget, say, over subscribing off your own sweaty share. Na ode ammonia na fonia etimi ahye jume deni bi wo ana nyumre mi wo ye refer na say same wo say kofo latest update edaha sanso ana o refer na say George Akose free latest update edaha pampe yare nyina enso eba ana fe new member oba be johnny Asante Kotoko board no and I don't know some eba na fe nyina no yetima hwe training report e wo hanim say ya yabehena fedidin komoni nyina no amanyema de enso atima akoso a yere won sem no ede eba enya ze first of all and a Ghana Premier League one game enso timi koso ema bobo ku efen Sediana Stars actually be any Gold Stars etwom economy no a Gold Stars etekano baako na sesere table na Gold Stars eda so dikan ekuta 51 points Afemediama Sporting Club tosumienu ekuta 50 House of Folk tosumiensa Ekuta 46 and Afe Asatana Diana Stars at the 4th position Ekuta 45 and Asante Kotoko our better 5th position Ekuta 43 and so on my own Samonon at the Emma Montano at the sofa table essay Kenya Asama Kanano brother Asante Kotoko to me win the Asama Tessa Aya Kaneke Asante Kotoko the can league no so much better magic Kakotoko winning the Asama Tessa Keneke kan komo say Asante Kotoko back our league in conversation no asan so tima pagya cause ene Gosas akwakwo lose me ka se Kotoko beje league no be se ka Kotoko se sabatesa me so se wa hutem be ka beje tum from Asante Kotoko our league in common no and as say timi se Gosas se pese je league ne dia against Mediama ese timi se Mediama I say to Misha Mediama, and Mediama so say Ghost as a losey. Mediama so say Ghost as a losey. So they will tell say opportunity as well. So the more for say so much Kotoko. And so they etimi kosro. Tena fan seni abrino. Tena fan seni abrino. Nye bibia enu entia. Ka Ghost as a losey. Ka Kotoko ni omu Mediama babetchen. Cause there's some tessa, Kone Mediama air babetching. There was such a perform. So one son said Mediama. Then as a league in Ankasana, say, then I and I make us with us hope as Asante Kotoko League. Make us with us hope as Asante Kotoko Angel League. But if the Mickey, come with him a go buyer, Kaweka, so we can one know. Can one know? We have found 12. But me front to John for myself officially Asante Kotoko. I am last training session and then you may answer the answer to maybe a china and a team the area or takwa. Nothing or Marco Hama BBA and so Etimacos against Omokua. Your friend say a Mediama Sporting Club. And most of Coach Prince in the summer to just say, when the boy said in Como, say my boy since I promise no. Say against Mediama dear, Omobeshe. War and Kumani and Wobi. But it's a sanity here. And the president has almost function with him. So supporters in a job. Supporters in a job. Some players on performance in your account was someone who bought. Some players on performance in your account on Mubu. They said I'm the promise on Amamu coach. You shall some coaching Abeka. It's after media man more winia, you have a question. You be some. So what's I know say to so be in your refusal. The Sunday game I must win. Oh yeah, motion fan pata mo supporters. So mo timi nse kwaje league na, mo se na mo fan pata mo supporters. Eno ni information. Eno ni epe. Many agesa double etima back. Many agesa branch fe say eye Ansoni Zakaria mu nyina de enso tima back. But the 3 points ene hia ye hwehwe. Ene hia ya ye hwehwe. Yente be mercy by the exclusive rabbe to so e de amamu.
Se obed. Obi kakaka fa ho ana.
Oh ya ba ni aba. Se ba nko ade a yesi enya ho asamuka. Na semna ye ka no a bit dicey kakra. because it has been a suggestion ba. But the application in a 701. And whenever you realize that the good suggestion in the needed application, I mean that BB soon more baby. I say BB at children or baby. On paper, dear, Ajibo, on paper, dear, and it is something that should be happening, which is very simple. And obviously all the major companies now around Najibu, Kotoko must approach them and find ways of getting them to support a year Asante Kotoko. But the question is, why is it that it has become a year difficult for Kotoko to achieve that? And that is what I think say we must find out. Because once we study, some we are basu when it comes to an AJ project input. Senka Dakwajachi in your company, we were how Obama Cement, we basically. I say it sounds a bit simple, but why so far obedient mean raise a lot of questions. So it's a good idea from Georgia Free, but I think there will be more to it. There will be more to it as to why that is not happening. Enka ni mudie ka baby a company na furu machine and your mama nipa wo mpatam ho anije no esese omutimi di bibi ehim se ne mpatam wo fo na ni beje enya no pe how I dam mpatam a company na furu machine no ese fata se company ni ye adwuma ne mfa so no a wo nya no obeyi bi na watimi e dey solve some of these problems, and we see most of these companies so more here it do baby you were the larger extent and you were the primary extent. They say be a company where doom maybe a doom I be our who's a street light in your juma timemufu where doom complaining and say here street light and here the primary extent, the primary benefit to location or one the bigger extent in your Kotoko, which represent the entire region. I find say woman so you can extend the helping hand to the bigger picture. Now I contribute to something meaningful to the development of Kotoko. But why that gap is a major issue. And I think the new board must find a structure, a commercial marketing brand structure. A bit me I exploited that untouched resources. Because the resources is untouched. Kotoko untouched our resources. No. You get a research team to sit down and scan around and look at the various companies. Ebi betimi aye obetimi say bia wo mpasu aso na regional wo no enye ni nyina kra na say mining company obetimi say bi okra na these beverages ebetimi this bia herbals ebetimi aye bia these import and export businesses wo mpatemu hoyi ebetimi some of these manufacturing companies also enye ni nyina na say omo tu from agudie normally from agudie for na e fa ne say omo ska, but there can be other ones betimi nya be 10 bi maybe busumi bi and they contribute something to the club, and at the end of the day we realize so be kika boom no na do actually. So Jibo, I think there is a problem, and the problem is something the new management or the new board must fix. Whenever there is a problem the obetimi solve a problem ni be wi aboni din say asumesi why ye adwuma watimi aye de obi antimi hu ye enti yes e hwesa sa part no. I think say normally no with regards to the mining no I'm focus na tie the primary location no mo no. The man say bia so oboase a the focus need to me e bia oboase. The man say obaabia ani a the focus to me baabia ani. The man say bia otakwa a the focus ye takwa. Ti say wo hwe
kuru no mo no.
Exactly. Ntira me hwe me ma edum de no any the larger scale no. To what study e be den say bia Anglo good wo e kan say oboase. No be skip oboase abakotoko. Kumasi.
But Ashanti region.
But normally they will focus on the primary unit. And send your cano or boy as good social tool for us. In as much as ABR yen time cano, as good is also under 2 for. Go stars cry home on your memo, look at their colors and how they do their things. Then maybe your magic crew will be crumbs where person be koyura. Enti a quack say Kumasi and Kasan yen 2 from a good year. And only issue if Anglo Good was based in Abia Book Room, can commodity be different.
Then and Suboko Bookroom for
the Blue community. Blue community.
Say, I'm a petty more.
Won't you say? Share of Boasen.
Some of Bob Boaseno. Say, Omobo Boaseno. Time I go Facebook, net him in the hole. Net him away dance mine. And no more betty go face.
That means Kotoko did not Kotoko and Fukoso at that time.
Yes.
That's what I say. So mobile, no, and a Kotoko J, Nina Fry. And Omoya say, we represent the area or Kibian can any different. But if your man try on, because at that time they thought they were okay. If your margin now, Kohono. To the American, say, you're the primary one and you're the larger one. You can manifest and manipulate your ways to be part of a percentage no channel so be nyit me nyabi ni nyina agina insese a wudi gu akwamu ntina make us asema ye tai Canada ba ne ye na koye din means bibi twe no something is pulling something because ye tai kan na unya mensia letter head how the wura ha sponsorship number then ntina sa de no bi antimi nye that should tell you something is because ka he kranka omo betimi simple kra mo bi na na penkra ne IMC say they were directly reporting to.
Another question is Obia decided to take steps towards
the new board should factor that into their plans. That's what makes you exceptional. It takes you above the average. And the man will average person also. Nempo so be pokon went to me then a man went to me. Then you modify it and get the response. But maybe person ye taika but in see it means there is a problem. I want to make me free ban.
Okay.
So that problem is something that needs to be fixed because it's people. They say a best kasemu their money rules the world at this point in time. Iska ene die bibia. Eye nyoma bebre. On say obehwena these product it me the paper and sunny ade no say it kills 99.9% of germs.
Yes.
The extent of the money you have and they show the extent of the problems you can fix. They say Dubai, any Middle East in Tokyo ACC. See, I won't confirm the flight free.
Sir.
Of course. You won't confirm the flight free.
Obi free.
Dubai. They brave free.
Say airport your matum.
They be omuntum. They brave free.
I didn't ever move free.
When you have the money.
Now
because it has become a bidding war when it comes to the ticket cost. And how only? Yes, be brave free. Oh, I'm giving you this. I mean, I follow those. Be brave free.
How much the private jet and how many days?
No, commercial flights.
Emirates.
Commercial flights are started flight. Commercial flight. If you have the money, you can leave.
And obey them and me who do obey. Who's can obey day?
The price is now rising. Say a few flights never fly. So it becomes a bidding war. So the extent of the money, one and the better whether you want to come on the train. And I obey me movie out. So everything is money. So the social responsibility conversation can be there. But one, you need to activate it. And because Jibo, my point is, because it is money, you have to do everything possible to get the money. Skadi Jibo, at this point, I have gotten to a stage where I realize when it comes to money, and I clean me, clean. If you need to lobby, you must lobby.
Okay.
If you need to pay middlemen, you must pay. Jibo, one thing I won't run the marketing for that say, yeah, the namely yinam. And namely the yinam or marketing field, no, it comes with middlemen, agency, and kind of saying commissions. So if you are an institution, now the only agency, sometimes you can even go as far as 40% commission, depending on what that 60% in the amount. The remaining 60% the obenya. In Saudi, now got to nam tum, and now got to draw to nash in Shanwa, Ubeyi na in Shano. Some of these institutions here came. Sometimes you need to meet some board members behind the scenes and let them know the total benefit the company will get and certain private benefits or more decision makers in Benya. Because a competitor or no the sponsorship we're promising the certain personal benefits. I be on not a board so because we fan. These are certain hidden truths when it comes to the corporate world. And yet pleasant. But if you want to survive in that war or in that field, you should be ready to get your hands dirty. Inti so ba ebia se Captain Siasia company board of directors yet 7. Eso to make sure san say no be commit no be decide baby a dem responsibility question be 5 there. Uni o ma wie. Ebi e betimi other benefit. Oh, because e Kotoko no with me boy sometimes issues be say we can meet you here and we can sort it out. And ebi sukura say a down payment. Sometimes impono there are certain board members ombe yi omani ahye ebi aneba ne wo fa ase bi ni nua bi jibo na ono na ye middleman for all their marketing proposals. So one tiase na akoye chen a yomno company fufuro bi na afa won sase. So it means that there are people that understand this business. When omura the marketing folder, they understand the loopholes within the system. Inti so one fast anko for no na akoko se me de meme ye Kotoko maba mama miska. I am telling you who the sponsorship be ko they be able connect the secretary ni table no so sometimes secretary ni mpona would you ko sini so no e se otimi pe bibi de ma no na on te se dey voice bi ba ya na issue ni say ya no ama chairman kakra na waka papa one te sa asem no say ya na wama chairman so kakra na waka oluman say no on so kai sa anas expose no te sa asem na ba say so ma chairman kakra na de bi waka oluman say dem me we okay they must you need people that's what I'm talking about, competent people that understand that business obi be wuram akwakofa your official lobby. I am telling you say what the letterhead ne beko obeka so secretary na mfa baba no de aba okay now fly to Ethiopia. The route to Ethiopia depend on maybe Africa and not from Ethiopia in Tijibo. When you have money, you can get your way through so many things. Okay. And when it comes to making money, there's nothing like shyness, there's nothing like rigidness. And I'm saying Sikawa Sema Ekase, you need people that are aggressive.
But let's make an attempt. I think yes, you might have your issues with a seminar that the free reason, but there should be some little attempt.
Board, you must factor that into their conversation because they say football is money. So at the end, this cabe bro biano won't mean boo and ninguso. But when you uncle for a tea jumanase, you will be a hard number meeting or the power to convince you with numbers that you will be amazed. Maybe a numbers that deals with returns. So the woman is say ya met me I say amount.
Only my dear friend to me. My dear friend to me.
Meaning pa. Okay. You know why I'm person me to me in common.
Oh, because for Mami Josie and the Derry now.
And you talked about Sanyo Meya.
Mr. Andy Derry.
Of course.
Or Hebrew.
Father on fashion in there.
Yeah. Now or the contribution kakra.
As I say.
Or say Kamenshia. Na menshia to ne safre big and as companies and institutions say what Asante Memu. Nancy omo ye yes.
But ebia wo come on. I'm push na because menshia no omo ye doso.
Debi say one fan come omo nye wo. Ese se tina me ka say wunya de si wunya esi wa onim sa ade na na say ote ase a na wa ye no de command board no wa impress upon the board no say mo fan come menshia ma yen. Enti mi say and the resistance nka na menshia to ne sa fresh institutions yi nyina. No ka kire mo say
that meeting no me
no nyina anya meeting no
da be nya no nkwa ne bai
anya otum for gold coin no o mo nyina board members onyomo na bishop ho na Edmark ho
he gave birth to a lot of things including what we are in here the intend ho nanka ne say mu no ya ka kire mo say obia when you first one na wanya no 5% there fabra na fabeboa na 5% no ya mfa my board no but you are forming a board of trustees na ya create account na akotom na board no a generate ayi amode beko akọ board of trustees for no akọje ti say ask no ebi beko into infrastructure development ebi beko into all other operational costs of Kotoko so that se board no kra no e kire omo so no bia omo nya sika mfa man ya you can now fall on the board of trustees you know to generate sa we no
okay
enti
neka emre sense ni
Kebwadi say
MTSU ekushia yura
Kebwadi say
Ewurade to nanim say e kane no na me golf yi ne me Kotoko yi na mo sponsor after that it was something audios by but what happened after that so it is not that easy because these are companies
because of time they
have their ways of
but say Obed when you said the MTN bit of it there at a point it was a particular decision by the management and the board of Kotoko. They thought MTN was not giving enough.
And that we cried an away, IMC time. I'm when the news you will buy.
Right, and no air senator no. None of the story be Adamamo inside Kotoko. I'm a catcher mo say Asante Kotoko board an idiot. See what almost person a year Jumano, Edoma Kumaso. Emma McCatcher said there is meeting our cost board on Esha Sayu, Sassi on Erede and Sweaty Medincomo. Na me comment bebre ana ko so yin da be na board no kwa no musia yenim de ekoso yenim de e all grounds nyama ya dom ama platform went no yetima bempayifo bi a yenso yetwe from o more information but ye ba ene ese hu ko be fa so a ye be nwina asem no now metimi a confirm de ama wo say Easter na ye ko break ama wo ko break na wo ji woni no na Asante Kotoko board no eye adwuma behind the scene Manhyia. I can confirm it to you. So Easter break na Asante Kotoko board no take opportunity eye adwuma behind the scene with the CEO of adwuma edema club no. Asat now nipa 2 ana mo din no egu white paper no so. Nipa 2 ana mo din egu white paper no so. Ore fen say George Efree enkomo no mento nchene. So tiemiye. George Efree enkomo no mento nchene. The other person account no. Empayfo ni nsia no wa confirm da man payfo so ohwe ni padri gra odeda ho na. Ni level baby a wa reach na. Si wo djuma le de okaso be so ma no oboa. Enkomonum demi pika metima say nipa no e dia to Asante Kotoko board nanim prempren say or person we part of the board. Or person we part of the board. So if say board na beti ase age atum dia or e ready so besom Asante man. That is information am the amount. That is information am the amount. Nipa 2 and me start me bo nipa 2 abo ba akudi on me fan so sa nipa na me kan wasem so asat na de nipa 2 ana mpanfo settle on na omo yimu ba ako asisi you no omo yimu ba ako asisi you be sa ba ako na de or the recommendation ana man mpanfo say ohwe ni pedigree any baby a wo bo brother duru na that position asisi you ne de on said Dabi what I say because so what free one about 2 about 3 about 4 about 5 and because also tiba one view and so page 5 for cried equal to 10. This is information ekuta me nwumre me de emamo ti se board no be giatum no mo na can see as a board member so no de and I just say bia omo koto Manhyia nim na bia penso gitum se ne mo na me de adwuma na hye mo nsa do be boa mo no ana se me betima adwuma mo fa ne nka mo ho eno de fine be mention a pa board me nsa o ma bayi. That is information a enumere adama pono so a konfe me de atu onum hye a chese enya nsam keto a ye de sansem ni nyina dey enso etimi e de atudwanti wo ba don't forget so be subscribe na fe onso watimi ahye.